Right, this is Global Tennis Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town City North. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thanks, man. Yeah, how do you feel about the game tonight?
Yes, me bro. It's every time I get alone, ne?
Yeah.
Ki kopara le wena ke sa fella ka dilo tsa.
O se sharp.
Yeah, ke se sharp.
Mara ka mo felletse ka.
Ka Sundowns.
O felletse ka. As long as you ka mo le monate ai.
Auna ur ka mong ka short.
100%.
Le last ke tlile mo ne ke lla ka mangoba.
Oh yes.
Yeah, ne ke lla ka mangoba ka yena. So ka jeno ke rela ke checka mo phone ke bona starting 11 sa hae ka no ba happy just ka back 5. A ke bolela ka back 5 ke tsentsa le Rowan Williams.
Exactly.
Wa ibona.
Yeah.
So
Rowan Williams Kekana Modiba
Mvala, yeah, yona yo ne ke leng happy ka yona. And then a tsentsa ba re ke mang Thapelo Morena as a sub. Simply because of Thapelo Morena we feed her all over.
Left and right, yeah.
Li kan twela ya Alende ke nana or maybe o ibone.
Oh yeah.
Afa Alende or Alende iba playmaker.
Free roll.
Ntweri yitseng ka Alende ano mofa yona re Alende iba playmaker ka jeno ke yona ntwe na e dira ka mo.
Yeah.
But ke ba boditse ga re o lebelle disapo tsa hae.
Yeah, ke mathata.
And disappointa vel.
Ai.
A shule divine lunga and some white but
at least you have won 3-0, you know, clean sheet, 3 goals, 3 points.
Yeah, yona I sharp, but
Sharp mara sharp.
But aki happy ka ore aki favor Sundowns but aki happy ka ore Chiefs e drawile ne kinyaka ore Chiefs I win I khono gain confidence ore Saturday ke bula e pila ka win ya bona.
Unfortunately didn't happen.
Unfortunately ba korile two le bona ba defend.
Yeah, exactly.
But ka scheme se ke spawning mark my words.
Yeah.
Kinyako veta ka score sa uba professional.
Sa 1-0.
Sa 1-0.
Ay, sa butho.
Thank you. Score sa sintime bra. 1-0 fela.
I'm coming to you, my brother. Thank you so much for thank you so much for joining us. Make sure that you subscribe. I'll help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much.